Is Snapchat Discover getting annoying? If you're tired of seeing random or unwanted content in your feed, don't worry, I'll show you how to clean it up fast. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Stories icon to open the Discover section. Now, find a video you don't want to see. Long press on that video, then tap Hide this content. That video will immediately be removed from your Discover feed. If you want to stop seeing content from a specific creator altogether, here's what to do. Long press on one of their videos. Tap on their profile name. In the top right corner, tap the three dots. Then select Hide this content. Confirm by tapping Yes. Now, go back and refresh your Discover feed. Content from that creator should no longer appear. Sadly, Snapchat does not have an option to completely turn off Discover. And that's it. Quick and easy. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more simple social media tips. Thanks for watching.